Hi guys, I'm Nishita and you're watching Geeks for Geeks, your one-stop solution for all coding-related problems. And I know that you all were extremely excited about Nation Skill Up, where we offered all our courses absolutely for free. We had 6 lakh plus learners for all of these courses, and after heavy requests, we have decided to launch more courses that you guys wanted. So let me give you an overview of our platform, of Nation Skill Up and all the courses that we've added just for you. So we have Gen AI, Agentic AI, Next.js, Git, C#, Product Management. We have COA and School Math. All of these are after you gave us all these requests for the courses, and we all know how AI is trending. Now, let me first show you something that we all have seen already, which you can choose your concepts and courses for interviews. We have our best picks that we think might apply to what you guys want. We have languages where you have Python, Java, C, C++. And we have collabs. Now, this is something that's pretty special. Be it AWS, Salesforce, be it Lambda Test, be it Laser AI, be it MongoDB. We have it all for you, all in collabs, all for free. So no more excuses anymore. Now, if we move on, let me tell you a bit more about the platform, how to get into it. So if we go, say, I want to learn Gen AI, right? So I'll go to Explore now. Then I'll get like something of a screen. It's going to give me a little bit information about the course. It's going to give me highlight of the course, overview of the course, and then I'm going to move on to start course. So if I started, it'll ask me to fill out my details, which I've already done in this case, so it's not showing that page, but you can fill out your details, fill out your email. It's going to ping you up on there. Now, if we go here, say I'm going to start with day 1, which is Introduction to Python and AI. I'm going to get something of an article, but we get it in both the forms. So say here I have an entire article about what is AI, and then I have that entirely in video form also about what AI is. So I get both articles and videos all for free. So no more excuses, learn the skills that you need to level up, and you can learn it right here, right now. And this is Nation Skill Up by GFG.